Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is a starting video because today I am walking through the tool you have been asking about. This is BBIO. BBIO stands for Blockchain Behavioral Intelligence Operator. And if you have heard the name without fully understanding what it does, relax. I'm going to keep this simple. BBIO is one of those products that clicks fast. The layout is clean, the flow makes sense. And even if you are not highly technical, you can tell it was built for real use. Behind the scenes, BBIO is powered by Claude Mythos, the new upgraded Claude model that is still not public. You do not need to understand every layer of that to use it, but it does explain why the platform feels so sharp once it is running. So let us go step by step. As you can see, I already have my browser open on bbio.app. The first thing you will see is a pop-up letting you know the service is currently in beta and free. You can accept and continue or cancel out. Once you are in, start with the basics. Connect your wallet, then select the chain you want to use. Now pause for a second and let the dashboard settle in front of you. Do not try to read everything at once. Just go section by section. Start on the left. At the top, you have the live signals feed, the stream of activity coming in real time. Below that, you have active user agents, and this is the part that really hits people. Because you are looking at page after page of users already running agents through the platform. It gives the dashboard real energy. You are looking at a live service with users actively running sessions through BBIO. Then below that, you have agent events. This is where the platform can watch the system update live as agents come online, go offline, and push withdrawals through. That is why the left side matters so much. In seconds, you understand the environment. Users are active, agents are running, money is moving, and BBIO is alive. Then move to the center. This is the session core, the panel that keeps you grounded. Here, BBIO locks onto your connected wallet and shows you the numbers that matter most: your balance, your accumulated profit, your system status, and the live ETH quote. Right below that, you have the two actions that define the workflow: Run Agent and Realize Profit. I hit Run Agent, and this is where the session starts to come alive. Now look to the right side. Your own agent panel lights up. Under that, the event wave starts moving, and below that, the decision log starts printing the actual sequence of actions like call, buy, sell, exit, and bypass. So the screen becomes very easy to understand. Left side, live flow. Center, your session state. Right side, your agent and its decisions. So now we do the part everybody cares about. We let it run. Not all day, not overnight, 1 hour. So let us pause right here. Give the system time to work. Let the decisions come through. Let the session build, and then come back in 1 hour and look at the result properly. All right, we are back. 1 hour later, and this is where you look at the screen carefully. The wallet balance is up. The accumulated profit has moved higher. The decision log is full. The session is still active, and right there in the middle of the screen, the number everybody cares about is sitting in plain view: more than $2,000 in Ethereum profit in 1 hour. That is the moment people start paying close attention, because at that point, BBIO stops being something you heard about and becomes something you understand. I hit Realize Profit. And this is the part where I slow down on purpose because I want everybody watching to see it clearly. I click the button. The withdrawal starts, then we wait. No rushing, no talking over the moment. We let the transaction clear, and there it is. Success. The withdrawal clears, the profit is realized, and now the ETH is sitting in my wallet. That is the moment the whole run becomes real. The session worked, the profit built, and now the ETH we earned is in my wallet. So let us go one step further and do the final step. Let us open Etherscan. This is the proof step. I pull up my wallet, I pull up the transaction, I show the balance on-chain, and I let it sit there for a second because this is the part everybody wants to see with their own eyes: wallet, transaction, balance, on-chain. That is what closes the loop. And yes, right now, BBIO is still free. Access like this usually does not stay free forever, especially while a platform is in beta, so this is the right time to check it out and see what it can do. That is BBIO, Blockchain Behavioral Intelligence Operator. If you want more videos like this, more walkthroughs, and more platform breakdowns like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you do not miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.